Elizabeth Howrath at Stuckey Ford and Subaru in Hollidaysburg, PA. We're going to take a closer look at one of our 2019 Subaru Ascents. So this is one of the 2019 Subaru Ascents. This is Subaru's new third row vehicle. Replaced the Tribeca that they had a couple years ago. And this is a million times better. It's a true third row, has lots of space. You can get this in either a 7-passenger or an 8. So either bucket seats or a bench seat in it. The bench seat comes standard on the base model. On the premium and limited, you can get either the 7 or the 8, and on the touring, the captain's chairs are standard. Take a look at the back here. This one is a limited, has the power rear gate as an option on it. It's standard on the limited. So you can kind of see the one seat's folded back. Those do recline there a little bit too. Those second row, that also reclines. This does have the spare tire. It has trailer towing capacity. They come standard with 2,000, and then on the premium limited touring, it's 5,000 pounds towing capacity. And this one here is the upgraded limited. So it has moonroof, navigation, a Harman Kardon audio system in it. So a great audio system. Taking a look at the inside here. MSRP on this is $43,754. Starting out there around low 30s. This has black with black interior. They come standard with eyesight. So this one does have the adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane departure. That's off to your right, off to left, quick audio, hands-free calling, auto lights, fog lights, wipers. Some more eyesight controls down here. Power rear gate has a memory height setting on it. Blind spot detection. Some controls up here. This one is a push-button start, so you can just tap that off to the side. A double tap will kind of illuminate the instrument panel there. You have an upper display screen that will take you through miles per gallon, distance to E, a few things like that. You can control that right here. This is your main touchscreen on this, so you can go into your phone. This one does have the navigation, so you see that map, couple apps, CD player, Bluetooth audio. Backup camera is going to pop up as soon as you go in reverse. They all have standard tri-zone climate control, so driver, passenger, and the rear. 3 different temperatures. You can lock the rear so kids can't play with it as well. Lots of 12-volt USB hookups. Has auto vehicle hold, X mode, electronic parking brake. You can see that big panoramic moonroof there. Very nice and large. It does open up half at a time, so that top half will open up to the back half. As you can see, the rear seats do recline a little bit too. They have handholds on the top there. These are great cars, amazing. Subaru did a great job, has a 2.4 turbo on it. So they're 22 average gas mileage, which is great for something this big. Has 8.7 inches of ground clearance as well, and it's the quality of a Subaru. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.